Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize GA4 BigQuery export for SEO analysis step by step clearly. First, log into your Google Analytics account. Select the property for which you want to enable BigQuery export. In the left-hand menu, click on Admin. Under the Property column, find and click on Data Streams. Choose the specific data stream you want to export to BigQuery. Scroll down to the BigQuery linking section. Click on Link to start the linking process. You will be prompted to select your BigQuery project. Choose the appropriate project from the list. If you don't see your project, make sure you have permissions to access it. After selecting, click Continue to proceed. You will now see the configuration options for your BigQuery export. Choose the export frequency that suits your analysis needs. Then, review the data integration options provided. Ensure that the data settings align with your SEO objective. Once you've completed your configurations, click on Create Link. A confirmation dialog will appear. Review the summary to ensure all details are correct. Click Done to finalize the linking process. You will now see BigQuery linked under the Properties section. Next, navigate to BigQuery in Google Cloud Console. Open the project where you linked the BigQuery export. You should see a dataset that corresponds with your Google Analytics property. Inside the dataset, the exported data will begin populating based on your selected frequency. Now, you can start analyzing the data for SEO insights. Use SQL queries to extract meaningful information from the dataset. This process will allow you to leverage GA4 data effectively for your SEO strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.